You're seeing it right here on this map, where it's actually showing up in the middle of the United States and the western coast over there of, well, Hawaii and Japan and all over there. And then over further, all up in this area over here, far to the left, you see it again over there as well. But it's normal. On the windmill, which didn't want to record no sound, you see it coming across, hitting here, going through, and then the mill where it's coming is right in here, hits in there. The date might be a little off because this one starts on the 21st. It's going all the way to the 30th actually. But don't see nothing actually showing up. It's taking it a little longer to get over here. I think the date might be off a little bit, but hey, it's still there. Well, this one's definitely showing on the 22nd. UTC at 10 UTC. See it? But it's on there. And you see the big blast come on, which is not Earth directed by no means. But anytime the sun does that, whether it's Earth directed or not, the Earth gets some energy from that. It's just energy. The North Pole and the South Pole picks it up as energy. It makes our electrical energy more powerful. That's all it does. So with that, much love, guys. Y'all have a good one. That's just an update on this stuff. And over here, that storm, it finally, all the way on Tuesday now, it was over in this area for days. Then just all of a sudden, after it stalled out for all of those days, a bit more of that modification finally went over Texas. Finally. It wasn't a hurricane by now. 40-mile-an-hour winds, tropical storm. But the fact remains is they modified that storm. No doubt. No doubt that they modified. I told you they were going to. If it was not to go straight on the land and go right into the other one, it's going to be. And it was. And the other one that's out there to see, it's been hanging out over there for days too. It's turned into less than 2. Still a little bit of hurricane, I believe, but it ain't much of one. It's still showing up. It's still projected to go right on out to sea, just like I said. But hey, I told y'all pay attention because it just sat here. It sat right here for days. Just started moving on the last little while. Say last 12, 14 hours, it finally moved from over in this area to where it's at. Got closer to land, and it's broke down the northeaster that Florida was getting. You see, it's still actually the whole state of Florida is getting a northeaster now. The wind's coming down and going into Florida, which is, they call that a northeaster. And the track line of the old storm is still there, pulling away. It's our little update. Much love to y'all. Y'all have a good one. Be back later on. Just woke up. Still asleep. It is what it is. And